Hello everyone, my name is Emily and welcome back to the online STEAM Club through the Lethbridge Public Library. Today we are going to be looking at the science of colors. So I have two different experiments we'll be doing today. The first one is called chromatography. So if you want to look that up, there are a couple of cool experiments you can do with this. But for this experiment, first you'll need a jar or a cup with a bit of water in it. Then you will also need a coffee filter. So you're going to want to cut the coffee filter into strips. As you can see, I've already done a bit of prep for that. I like attaching mine to either a pencil or a popsicle stick because we are going to be hanging this down into a jar. But of course, you can also just hold these with your fingers as well. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take some markers and we're going to draw a line. Then we're going to hang it into the water and see what happens. So you do want the marker line to be just above the level of your water. So I'm just going to measure to see about where I should put mine. I have 3 different colors I'm going to try today. I'm going to try a purple, a green, and a nice lovely spring blue. I like doing my lines nice and bold and thick because I think the experiment works a bit better when you do that. And then you just hang it down. And again, you want the tips of the strips to be hanging in the water, but you do not want the marker to go into the water. And this one does just take a couple of seconds to work. So I'm just going to put that to the side for now, and that can do its sciencey magic while we look at our other activity. So the other one is milk colors. So as you can see, I have my little bowl of milk. For this one, you will also want some food coloring. I've chosen red. I like that it's a bright, vivid color. You can definitely choose more than one color though. You're also going to want some liquid dish soap. I just have a little bit in my container here. And a toothpick. So first you just want to take a couple of drops and just put it into your milk. And you probably aren't going to be able to see this, so I'm just going to do it, and you will also have to do it at home if you want to see how it works. Then you just dip your toothpick into the liquid dish soap, and then you put this where your colors are. And again, you might be able to see it from the angle you're at, but what happens is that when you dip it into the milk, the colors will actually explode in a really cool way. And of course the question is why that happens? Well, I challenge you to go see if you can research that and figure it out yourself. So I'll try to tip it a bit. As you can see, mine is quite red now. I just chose the one color, but this one's really fun to do with a bunch of different colors. So it looks like our chromatography is coming on well. So I'm just going to pull this out. So as you can see, as the water climbs up the absorbent coffee filters, it actually takes the different colors and dilutes them and spreads them up as well. Now you might be able to see from this, but I had green in the middle, and it's actually divided into a bit of blue and a bit of green. While my purple, you can actually see a tint of pink at the very bottom. So again, why does this happen? Well, I would challenge you again to go see if you can figure that out yourself and see why some of these colors might have separated while the blue has just stayed blue all the way up. So those are our 2 activities for today. They're both really quick and really fun. I especially like the milk one because you can just pour out the milk and then try it over and over. If you do these activities, we would love to see them. Just go to lethlib.ca and you can find our Facebook page where you can post any questions or activity pictures. Well, until next time, goodbye!